This is the TP-Link Gigabit switch. I've had this for about a couple weeks now, 2 or 3 weeks. I love it. It's a game changer. It definitely helps with the devices that I'm connecting. I don't get real good Wi-Fi where I'm at. I'm on the first floor in a brownstone home, so it's pretty old. These walls are pretty solid. So I've tried everything to get connection down here, and I think this is probably, I wish I would have had this a long time ago. I run a 50-foot flat Cat 8 cable from upstairs on the second floor into the router, and I run it all the way. I actually run it through the window, and I can close the window because of the flat cable, which is very nice. Obviously I don't slam it down or close it all the way. I don't want to damage the wires, but I still get a faithful connection. Speeds are wonderful. And I run it down into my room, so I have internet, very, very fast internet. I have my PS5 connected to it, and I have Apple TV connected, and I also have my work computer. So each one is pretty demanding, especially the PS5. I use a lot of that, which I'm going to run a speed test for you so you can see the exact speeds that I get with this switch. But as you can see, there's a 1 input. This is the flat cable coming from upstairs, and that's the input port, and that feeds these other 4 ports. And I believe each one has a different speed. I believe 2 are gigabit speed, and the other ones are like maybe 100 gigabits per second or 10 or something like that. I use the slower one for my work. It's not that demanding. I'm just doing a lot of web browsing and stuff like that. So, but yeah, the Apple TV and the PS5 are definitely get used a lot. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied.
So this is my TP 5 gigabit network switch. I have it set up here. I have a cable from here that goes out to the router upstairs. So it's a 100-foot network cable. So I got set on one on my Apple TV, one on my access point over here, and one over here on my computer. And yeah, I'm getting pretty good speed. Like, this thing is the real deal, you know. This is like a speed test. I'm pretty much getting the same speed as my router upstairs. So yeah, I mean, this thing works. Wonders actually.